Hello mga ka-vlogs, kumusta kayo dyan? Ayos naman kung ako ang tatanungin. Yan o, sasauli ko yung DJI na 2 wireless mic. Kasi parang sa isang channel lang gumagana. I mean, I think this is just a setting issue, but I don't know. I don't have time to take a look. I just want plug and play type of thing, right? Sana kinip ko na lang yung isa. But in the future, I might get it again because it's always there naman unless na maubos a limited time sa Amazon. But I think it's gonna be there all the time. So for now, I'm not gonna use it, so I will return it. Yan. Nga pala, I was with my my insurance on the phone, right? They're asking like may gradual return to work schedule silang sinet for 8 weeks. So then I went to my doctor today and saying I need the time like 4 hours 1 week for my physical therapy still. So I'm still getting symptoms. May CT scan ako sa, the next second week ng July. It's hard to get a schedule sa mga ganong klaseng appointment. But I've been waiting for about maybe a month for that. So, anyways, ito na yung week na natapos na yung return to work schedule. So I'll be getting full-time hours or attending should be full-time hours. So sabi nila if you need that, we will probably use up my sick hours, something like that, sa mga ganong klaseng schedule or appointment. So I had the doctor's notes proving or supporting me for that type na for my half a day. For out of 5 days na mag-work ako, one of those days I'll be attending my physical therapy appointment. So say Tuesday, I only work till 12. So from 1 to 4 or I'm attending my physical therapy. Ayan, so and as well na like I told them kasi medyo binabayaran na ako ng HR namin, right, for my like I'm on the field, so there's a car allowance plus the mileage. So I think I'm getting the full day or full week for the car allowance and all that, and the mileage for every kilometers. There's a certain kilometers na binabayad sa'yo. So anyways, they're also deducting my premium for my long-term disability, right? It's a big chunk, so I asked them about that. Why you guys are so eager to close up my claim, but in terms of payment, you guys just take it right away. And then she said, you shouldn't be paying that while you're on your claim, right? So she's gonna ask my my HR regarding that, right? So insurance, they're there to protect you supposedly, but they keep on just taking the money out automatically. But once you're entitled for that, they're gonna have to review everything, like step by step, like everything is on paper, and you have to like prove that you are really disabled. And I said so sometimes I'm not able to drive long ways, sa mga 3-hour drive, because I have to be close to the home base para I can attend my my physical therapy in the afternoon, right? So may mga time na 6-7 hours lang ako, like Tuesdays and Thursdays. So in those days I had the appointment for physical therapy. So anyways, yun lang, gusto kong sabihin, just have to know everything when you're working in Canada about the ins and outs ng short-term disability, long-term disability. There's a show, I think in I watch it on TV. It's about law, you know, not immigration law, but employment law standards. Na ang sabi pa nga ng lawyer doon is sometimes, you know, it's oh, there's someone's calling me. I'm just gonna ignore this because I don't know who's calling. Anyways, that's weird. You know, kailangan mong mag-appeal, something like that, but sinasabi ng lawyer, don't appeal. Right? So, yun lang. Kasi pagka nag-appeal ka, parang dinadrag lang daw nila yung claim mo na, you know, something like that. Ooh. Anyways, yun mga ka-vlogs, no? Dito tayo sa Shoppers sa mall para sa uli natin to. Alam ko, ang bilis-bilis niya sa parking lot. May itsura ng Canada Post dito mga ka-vlogs. Ito yung nasa mall. Yan. Ayos. Ayan mga ka-vlogs, dito lang tayo sa, sabihin ko sana, Square One Mall. Fine Center Mall dito sa Prince George. Maliit na mall lang to. Yan. Ano lang. Tingin lang tayo. Ito ang siduro yun mga vlogs. So, yan. Tingnan nyo. Yan lang. Hallway. Parang square lang siya. Yan. Michael Hill. Ano mga vlogs. Dito ako kumukuha ng sunglass Sunglass hat. Prescription sunglasses. Reimburse ng insurance prescription kasi using it for driving. Part of our job. Yan. So, alright, Spencers. Okay mga ka-vlogs, Special Company. Mula silang sale na chichirya dito na mahal, pero regular price. Usually may sila, yung mga naka-red, 469, 599. Ito sale, yung no-name brand. Pero wala silang ketchup. Ayoko naman yun. Yung masyado maalat yung dress, tsaka yung maasim naman yung salt and vinegar. Gusto ko yung yung ketchup flavor. Dito lang daw sa Canada yun wala sila. Okay lang. Ngayon pala US 4th of July. Happy July 4th of July sa US. Sa mga kabayan natin dyan sa US. Shoutout sa inyo dyan. Mga kamag-anak ko dyan. Sa Daly City, sa LA, Bakersfield. Saan man kayo naroroon. May San Diego, meron din ata. Maryland. Yan, shoutout kay Team Michelle Padama. Yan. Meron din sa Seattle kay Raul. Yan, Raul Molina, Uncle Bombet. Shoutout sa inyo dyan. Sa si Auntie Jingjing sa California. Yan, kay Auntie Judy sa Florida. Yan. Mainit pa rin dito ngayon sa ano nga ngayon 26 degrees outside. Pawisan din ako. So, inisip ko lang rat race sa mga nagtatrabaho for 40 years. Ganun parang system yan 40 years, trabaho ka ng 40 years. Sabihin natin 15 ka nag-umpisa. 65, 55, 50 years na 50 years ka nga dapat magtrabaho para 65 makuha mo yung pension mo. 50 years is a lot of time to work 8 hours per day for 50 years and then just getting, inisip ko yung system parang they just built to make you work and beg for money, right? Parang yeah, it will pay the bills, but I guess if you want freedom you have to go to leverage your money and do some streams of income, right? Not only one stream of income. Sabi nga nila yung mga umasenso daw, they have at least 7 streams of income, passive income. So, shoutout pala kay dyan, bagong YouTube channel ni Sally, S-A-L-E-E. Check her out. She's a nurse, 12 years na nurse sa Toronto, I think, Ontario. And she's got some good topics sa kanyang channel. She just opened her channel this month, I think, and she's getting a lot of views because it's a helpful niche, right? Something you can put a guide to yourself dito sa Canada. It's a very good channel. Shout out kay Sally, S-A-L-E-E. Yan. Ayan mga vlogs, meron pa pala tayong another appointment na pupuntahan. 3:30 July 4th. 3:16 na ngayon dito sa ating physical therapy. Ayan yun nga hanggang support sila hanggang end of August daw. Yun kasi yung binigay na sa kanila ng car insurance. So yan. So ganun ang patakaran nung may car insurance ka, pero kung may insurance ka from work, mauna muna yun. Una ginawa sa akin nung nag-absent ako, kinonsume yung 5 days of sick days first. Tapos noon na-consume na yon. Kung meron ka pang mag-short term disability ka after, yun ang yung naranasan ko and after I think, I don't know kung ilang months, I think 30 days of short term disability. Basta andun naman sa yun sa company policy. Hindi lang ako sigurado kung 30 days. Basta mga ganun, after ng short term, long term disability. Tapos ngayon nga i-close na daw nila, and then after pwede kong i-claim sa car insurance na doon na sila magbabayad yung top off ng kung ano man naiwan sa akin, right? Because of my kung ano yung ginagamit ko for my rehab or physical therapy na na-miss ko for work, tatap off nila. So yun, July, August, meron pa akong physical therapy. And yun yung ginagawa, kinokuryente dito, buong dito, tapos nilalagyan ng heat for 15 minutes, tapos another 15 minutes ni-elongate sa traction, neck traction, yung leg and yung shoulder mo, parang ini-stretch ba para ma-stretch ata yung muscle. But there's still some pressure here nararamdaman ko pagka, lalo na pag nakaupo at saka yung tumitingin sa screen. Yan. So yun lang ayun, pag nandito kayo sa trabaho nyo, tingnan nyo yung LTDs, long term disability, binabayaran nyo yun from on your own money, galing sa sweldo mo. So hindi yun covered. Scott! That's Ethel's husband, Scott Stopper. Shout out Scott Stopper. He works here at manager sa brain injured group in Prince George. So andito lang dito lang yung physical therapy ko. Yan, magpa-parallel parking tayo. Yan, butin yung mga guide mo ngayon. Yan, perfect. Okay, tali tayo mga vlogs. Kumuha tayo ng chicken noodle with tomato. Natira akong tomato dun sa, like, from the can. Tomato from the can. So, inisa ko muna yung tomato bago ko nilagyan ko ng olive oil. Yan, nilagay ko dito yung olive oil. Tapos, chef seasoning. Tsaka yung chicken noodle. Yan. Ito yung chicken noodle mga vlogs. Yung Lipton. Yan sarap. Malinamnam. Yan mga vlogs. Yummy. Soup. Meron tayong barbecue dito. Compliments na nung mga nag-camping today. Tira nila. Meron silang dalang cake tsaka yung potato salad. Dinaan dito ni Roseanne Rosowski. Yung kumpanya nila tawag nito, nag-camping sa Ports, saan ba yan? Fort Stewart Lake, Fort St. James. Yan. Ano ba yung kumpanya niya? KMBS Contracting Limited. Yan. Ano sila? In charge sila ng mga moving ng mga government buildings. Ayan, tsaka sa jail. Yan, yung maintenance. Ayan. Ayun. Kakain lang mga vlogs. Sarap ng barbecue chicken with chicken noodle soup. Puro chicken na lang. Baka magkapakpak na tayo niyan. Kasi baboy mataba, madagdagan yung natin, taba natin. Chicken, okay lang din, mataba siya, pero mas less cholesterol ata ang chicken kung di mo isasama yung skin. Yan, no? Alala ko nun sa Ontario, may mga part-time ng Pilipino sa chicken poultry. Tinatapon nila yung skin ng chicken. Siyempre, mga Pilipino, gustong-gusto yun. Ginagawang chicharon. Yan, no? Hindi alam ng mga puti. Ang dami. Yung ex-binang ko nun, nagpa-part-time dun eh. Sarap. Kaso nga lang, makolesterol din. Ayan na mga vlogs yung natin, no? Yung pathway natin dati. Ano pa yan? Hindi masyadong magubat. Ngayon eh, puno na ng ng mga dahon. Ang ganda ng bulaklak, oh. Yan. In HDR ko para makita ko kung kulay ba habang tayo naglalakad. Kung HDR is better than just normal video. Yan. Mga na ngayon eh. Alas 7 ng gabi. July 4th. Yan, oh. Happy 4th of July sa US. Yan. Ano ba yung napanood kong movie ni Tom Cruise na Born on the 4th of July. Parang ganun eh. Ano siya? War veteran. Tapos parang ganun yung istorya eh. Umuwi siya ng after the war na cripple siya. And then parang after the war, imbis na siyang hero, na parang may mga pension naman yun, no? Mga army pension. But parang napabayaan na siya from the society. Kumbaga eh, parang once na ipakinabangan ka na. And then if you're receiving pension and yung tawag nun, yung disability pension, na siya eh, na disable siya from the war. So parang iba na yung trato sa kanya after na disable siya, hindi na as a hero. Ayan yung mga karamihan sa mga ngayon. Floating yung mga dito. Tahimik muna tayo. Yan. Medyo nahihiya pa tayo, no? Pag nagbablog, pag may ibang tao. Ngumpitin naman sila, pero parang na brain freeze ako eh. Kung may mga ganong klaseng masanay din tayo siguro. Yan. Tututo tayo sa mga vlogger natin na ni Inags, Vice Velasquez. Yan, mga vlogger. Alwin and Emma. Yan, dami pang iba. Yung Oregon from Canada, Kaurag. Yan, Pinay Cleaner. Ayan, gaganda ng mga vlogs nila. Kasi they're speaking from their heart, right? Yung mga experiences nila. So yun yung mga vlogs. Minsan mas gusto ko manood din kaysa sa manood ng movie, kasi alam mo sa movie acting lang eh. Yun lang, no? Yan. Ang dami nagpapalakad ng mga aso ngayon, no? Ganito. Pero kaway lang tayo para alam nila na harmless tayo. Mapagkamalang stick natin, mapagkamalang martilyo yung hawak-hawak natin. Kasi isang stick na mahaba, tapos may parang blocky. Yan, yun ang ating. So yun pala yung yung puti na nag-say hi sa atin. Binili pala niya yung helmet na binenta ko sa FB Marketplace. Yan, yung sa motocross, yung enduro, yung ginagamit niya pang bike. Ayos naman, $25. Naalala pa niya pala ako, hindi ko na siya naalala. Yan, ganda na ng mga garden dito sa paligid, oh. Lalo lang pag naka-mow yung lawn. Yan, ito medyo yan na ng mga dandy tiger yan, puti. Pag yellow, dandelions. Yan, merong aso. Ayan, siya leash. Kaya okay lang yan. Maingay lang. Yan mga vlogs. Ayos mga vlogs. Mag-dilig-dilig din ako siguro. Yung kapitbahay namin, buti naman.